Hi guys, so today we're playing in the classroom. So guys, can you if you have TikTok, can you go and follow me? My account is called 123 Refrigerator, and you can see my face on it. Oh, this is so true. Oh, what? The generator doesn't even drop iron, and you get iron every second. It looks like a bunch of people in the tanker shack because I seen 2 people with the disguise already. You guys not saw it. Oh, no, these were. Oh my god. No. I'm a zombie. Oh yes. How do you get to be this zombie? I don't know how to. But let's go. I haven't read it before. Right, wait. Okay, I'm just gonna make my own bunker. Bro, I'm not even clicking. Oh. Oh, good. I thought I didn't. Okay. Oh my god, bro, isn't that hard just to make a bunker? Bro, what? What the actual heck? Okay, well, I don't need a bunker. But, no, I just said that. Okay. Okay. Destroy. This isn't that loud. That wasn't doing anything. That's what I'm doing. Hey, oh my god. Was this do damage? Oh, you can. Oh, no. Can this hammer break these kind of blocks? Oh, it can. Last time I got it in Lucky Block. Huh? I was like, okay. Oh my god. Destroy. I'm gonna destroy the generator. Oh my god, I can't do that. Actually was miners like me. The reason I was miners because I just posted the miner video you can watch. They're not so good. Oh my god. We don't need some more. Big break. Guys, all you do... Oh, we discovered color pearls. Yummy. Eat color pearls. I did not realize we discovered color pearls. Oh, this is a good place. Why am I trying to... I'm trying to make bunkers so horrible. I just want to make a bunker. Because I never was... I need to get my car back. So that's why I jumped in. Okay, I got my... Okay. I'm trying to make bunkers, but... I just want to make bunkers because I never use this. The first time I used it in Lucky Block, I didn't get to use it. I barely even got to use it because I died right away. Because people were special. Not because people were stacked and I wasn't. But why are you... That's a waste of iron. Destroy. I'm just gonna destroy their base. Okay, I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna be messy where I actually need it. Oh my god. The spike traps are, they just do nothing. Like you can one hit them. Whoa. I can one hit them. Die Qualscher. Boy, this thing looks sick. Oh my god, bro. Which one do you think looks cooler? This one? This one or this one? And this is probably... Am I the only person who has this? Like, destroy! Woo! Oh my god, bro! Okay, okay, well, I'm actually gonna fight now. Got over that cop. Don't hurt me, don't hurt me, don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Okay. Kill me with snowballs. Bro, it's not letting me move. See, it's not letting me move. It's not letting me move. Guys, it's not letting me move. So I may jump, but not move. Oh my god, the humans are about to win, bro. It's not letting me. Okay, we're finally. The humans are gonna win, bro. And the humans are about to win. Oh! 3, 2. Okay, I'll do the countdown. Well, this was fun. I got this Knox's sledgehammer. What is it called? Yeah, Knox's sledgehammer. Okay, well, bye. Alright, well, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed. Also, there's this. Yeah, I just wanted to tell you about this. There's this glitch where if you guys need, so you can use this emote to glitch out the spectating box. And then right when it hits 0, you jump in. So when you're on the ground, right when the clock, like at the top clock, right when it hits 0, then you jump in the void, and then you can be infected and humans, and the humans can't kill you, so you can just control the infection team, but you can't hurt the infection team. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed the video.